couple weeks ago, I started getting this weird ad of myself. And a bunch of you guys did too, because I got a ton of tweets and DMs about it. Someone had taken the thumbnail of my Medium video and had turned it into an ad for a very sketchy looking make money online type of website. I reported it, it got taken down, and I thought all was well. A couple days later though, another ad popped up, this time from a different person. So I've done this 3 or 4 times now where I've reported it, but they keep making new accounts. So I thought, what's the deal here? Why are they so persistent to get this ad out? It must be an amazing website, right? Like I must become a millionaire from whatever they're talking about. Right? No, definitely not right. No, I fully knew going into this it was going to be some sort of weird scam, and I wanted to set the record straight and make sure none of you guys waste your time or fall for this, especially since they're using my face. I don't want anyone thinking I'm affiliated with it. So today we're gonna go through the website and prove that it's not a thing. So follow along as we expose this person using my face for their weird scam, or maybe I'll make money from it, who knows, but I kind of doubt it. Okay, let's get started. We've talked a lot on my channel about making money online in different ways, and I try and give an unbiased review because some of these can work, but some of them can go pretty wrong. It's kind of turned into a series of me just investigating ways that people make money online, unbiased. So today we're gonna switch things up. We are gonna talk about ways to not make money online. And really what inspired this was the person that decided to take my thumbnail and use it for their weird ad. So if you ever see that ad, please report it. The claim here is that you can make up to $200 a day. And I just highly doubt that. So when you click on the ad, this is the video you get. Let's just check it out.
With you a website from where you can earn up to $200 a day using your phone. For every friend that signs up with the referral link, you get paid $10.
The first red flag here is that they immediately go into how to refer people, not how to actually do anything on this website. So I'm just gonna make an account and see what happens. So once I created an account, it showed me this dashboard and then a bunch of different tasks you can do to earn points. And this is really where things get weird. All of these tasks looked very fake. 2 years of free Netflix or a free Xbox, how is that a task that would earn me money? Guaranteed none of these are real, but I decided to click on them anyway just to see what would happen. So the first one I clicked was the $100 IHOP gift card. And just look at the website. Just look at that. Seriously, who would fall for this? I don't even want to fill it out. So this website is obviously fake, but we need to see what happens when you actually put in your info for one of these. Okay, so I'm gonna click on a different task. I'm gonna find the most expensive task that I possibly can. So the most valuable task we can see didn't even work. Every time I clicked it, it had an error. Sign up with valid personal information about samples. So you're pretty much just selling your personal information. So after I added my mostly fake info, you would think we're almost done, right? Well, nope, not really. It forces you to say yes or no to a number of different samples. It looks like just a few at first, but it just keeps going until your eyes glaze over and you want to fall asleep. And then you land on this lovely page. Oh, okay. I thought I was done, but no. So I'm just gonna go ahead and say no to everything, but I'll say yes to one thing so that I can just be done with this. So it tries to match you with any and every type of sample it possibly can. It took almost 20 minutes to say no to all of these. This is just a whole other side of the internet I never ever wanted to go to. I found that it never really ended. It just kept taking me from website to website trying to get me to get more samples or answer more questions. So while it might look like a simple task on the original website, it's really not. It took me on a loop of answering questions for about 30 minutes. This one is really just taking you on a journey. So it basically took me from the original scammer website to another one that was identical. Then it took me to an offers page and it told me I had to buy one of these things. I basically just wasted 45 minutes. In the end, I have to buy something to get any points on this weird website. It's a no from me. I found the website also had the option to just download an app and go on it for a certain amount of time, so I figured I would give that a try too. So I logged in on my phone to try and find one of the apps to install. So it said I could download this Snake Blast game. So if I get to level 50, I will get 5,000 points, which is equivalent to $5. Not very much if this takes me more than 10 minutes. Level 1. Tap to play. So, okay, I feel like I could get to level 50 probably pretty easily. It just depends how long it takes to get to each level. Okay, I will admit it wasn't that bad playing the game. Like, it was mildly entertaining, but there were so many ads in it. Okay, more ads. There you go. Now I have to watch a video? Are you kidding? This is just... The game is just, you know, the way to get you to watch ads. This website, you guys, I hope you're watching this and you're like, I'm not signing up for that. So it's 2:30 right now. I'm gonna play this game, and if I'm not to level 50 in an hour, honestly, I quit because it's just a big waste of time. Okay, so I actually did play this game for quite a while. So long, in fact, that I got hungry and had to make lunch. I probably saw over 60 ads while I played. I'm on to level 27 of this game. I have to watch a commercial between each one. I really felt like I was wasting my life away while doing this. Even if you could make money doing this, it's not a fulfilling way to even make money. I'm on to level 34, so we're getting very close to being done with this stupid game.
Eventually.
It is almost 4 p.m. now. It's 3:50. And with the help of Cooper, just kidding, you weren't much of a help, buddy. I'm at level 49. So let's see what happens when I hit 50. I can't believe I've wasted all this time playing this game. It's just so stupid. I did eat lunch too, so that took like 20 minutes. And level 50, I did it! So now let's log back into the website to see all the money I've earned. Okay, so we can see it actually didn't add the points and the game is gone. So I thought, okay, maybe it takes like a day to update, but I checked a few days later and I still didn't have the points added, leaving me to believe this is a total scam. So I'm gonna try one more just to confirm that this doesn't work. So this one says download this app, run it for 30 seconds. Okay, sounds easy enough. It says not found. URL not found. Okay, we'll try this one. Just error every time. I think all the ones where it's free just magically don't work. I think I've done enough to confirm that this just is a scam. Right? Right? I think I have. Okay, I did one last one just because it looked really quick and easy. I just had to post a listing on an app that's sort of like eBay. So I did it, completed that, went back, and once again, no surprise here, didn't earn anything. I thought, okay, maybe I'm just doing something wrong. Maybe I'm not connected right. Maybe I'm like clicking out of the apps too fast, but I Googled it and other people also were confirming that it's a scam. So it's a scam. So I am still a bit confused as to what exactly is going on here, but what I do know for sure is that it's sketchy, and if you can make any money at all from this, it's not worth your time. It's just not. I don't care who you are, it's not worth your time. A few years ago, I made a video where I tested online survey websites, and I found that while they're not necessarily a scam, they're just a ridiculously low amount of money to make for the time that you're putting in. So 57 points pretty much translates to $5.70. Probably spent at least 2 hours, maybe more, taking these surveys. So that is a terrible hourly wage. That's like $2.50 an hour. And actually this website found that they only make $1 to $2 per hour on average, which is just so not worth the time. Additionally, you're selling your personal information. And there's just something weird about that, right? You can't help but wonder what they might do with your personal information. You'll probably just end up getting a bunch of spam calls and emails, but even that to me is not worth $5. Like, I will pay $100 to not get any more spam calls and emails. In general, I see so many scammy looking advertisements and websites that people must still fall for if they're in existence, but I just can't imagine how people are clicking on these. Like, I don't get it. Again, normally I wouldn't make a whole video about this, but since they did use my face, I just wanted to set the record straight. I don't want people thinking I'm affiliated with that. The number of people that messaged me about it, even people I know personally that texted me about it, I just couldn't stay quiet. I would just hate for any of you guys to think I am affiliated with it and then fall for it and waste your time on that. So now hopefully no one does that. All right, that is all for today's video. I know it was kind of a different video, but honestly, I am kind of like, what else kind of video do I make in my house? I have a few ideas that are just gonna take a while, So this was, you know, sort of a random one. If you're extra bored and you want more content from me, I did just make a podcast. I'll link it down below. I also have a vlog channel. I abandoned it for a while, but I've recently started uploading it on again, just my daily quarantine life, which I think it's kind of boring, but people seem somewhat interested. So I'll link that down below too if you like that sort of thing. There's something oddly relaxing about watching other people do boring tasks in quarantine. Like, you feel like you're not alone in this boring, weird time. All right, that is all for this video. I will see you guys next week.